Kevin Surace.
Kevin Surace. Yesterday, I met with a man whose company is reopening a factory outside.
He was named Top Innovator of the Decade.
Who has a history of implementing disruptive technology successfully.
We're going to talk about the joy success cycle and how joy fuels success. And if you let joy fuel success, it is a life changer for you. Curiosity is actually a superpower because it keeps you learning all the time.
I'm Kevin Surace, sometimes the janitor here, but also the CEO of the company.
I've got about 5.5 hours of material to fit in 45 minutes.
And here's the most important thing.
If you want to advance, you need to take some risk. Happiness is not necessarily joy. You don't want this to happen. Stop overthinking everything. And the science backs this up. Joyful people succeed more. Joy builds resilience and creativity. Joy boosts productivity. If you don't have purpose in life, every day that you get up, what are you doing? All of this generative AI is working its way into your workplace.
What happens if your competitor is 2x more productive than you are at every single task?
People kept saying you've got to write a book about this. So I've written a book. In the AI era, the joy success cycle is the game changer you need for your team members. It will change the way you think, the way you act, the way you lead. You get one complaint per day. You get out of bed tomorrow morning and you go, oh, my knees hurt. Now, some of you are thinking all you've done is gamify this thing, and that's exactly right. So now you find how I could turn something I wanted to complain about into something positive. And this is a complete loop. Joy leads to motivation, and productivity leads to achievement, leads to more joy.